So here we have these Viver 6-inch stainless steel running boards. Now, full disclosure, this is a paid partnership and these were sent to me for free, but the opinions in this video are my own. Alright, so the ones I have here are made for a Chevy truck, but they also make them for a Dodge, Ford, or Toyota. Like I said, they're made of stainless steel and they have a really nice mirror polish on them. They came with all the nuts and bolts you'll need to mount it, a pair of gloves, an instruction manual, and then these two smaller boxes that each have 4 brackets in them. And these brackets look to be made of 11 or 12 gauge steel and they have a powder coated finish on them. I'm going to quickly show you how to install them on this truck here, give you some quick tips and tricks, and then once they're installed, I'll test them out. Alright, so first you're going to want to locate the mounting holes. The ones on this truck are pretty dirty, so I'm going to clean them out. I just sprayed some degreaser into each hole, and I didn't have a tap and die set, so I took one of the bolts and used an angle grinder to cut into the threads on 2 sides, and then I threaded it in and out of all the holes to clean them up. Then I started threading in the top bolt with the bracket attached, and then secured on the bottom bolt, tightened it all the way up, and then went back and tightened the top one. And it may be a good idea to use some thread locker here, but that's up to you. And there's one of them done. It is a little bit wiggly side to side, but we'll see how that affects it once we have it fully installed. So let's go ahead and put the other 7 brackets in. And on the back 2 brackets, at least for me, there aren't any threads to screw into, and that would be a bit of a problem, but they provided 8 of these clips. So just pop this cap off here, then stick a clip through, and then you can mount the bracket on like normal. Alright, and there we go. I got all these put on here. Now we're gonna put the boards on, and you can see the bottom sides have these pieces that slide. So we're gonna unscrew the bolts from all of those, set the board on the brackets, then move each one of these pieces into place, line them up with the brackets, and then get the bolts started in them. Then once all of them are started and the board's lined up where you want it, you can tighten them all down. Alright, and they're all finished. That looks pretty nice. It took me about an hour to get both of these installed. They seem pretty sturdy to me. I feel plenty comfortable jumping on them. There is a little bit of deflection, but not much. They also say they have a weight capacity of 500 pounds. These plastic parts aren't a perfect fit onto the metal. You can see there's a bit of a gap there, but yeah, overall they seem like pretty decent running boards.